Perfect black and infinite contrast bring out the details in the darkest scenes. That's the power of 8.3 million individually lit pixels in LG OLED TVs. Images, action and color are brought to new life to instantly enhance picture quality through LG's best 4K processor, empowered by AI at its core. Wi-Fi Certified 802.11 AC expands the AI experience to have both the Google Assistant and Alexa built in, making this the world's most intelligent TV. LG OLED is a new type of thin. The TV's individually lit pixels require no backlight, making it a thing of beauty on the wall or on its premium stand. Advanced image and sound technologies inspired by the cinema optimize picture and sound for a spectacular, more lifelike experience in every scene. The ultra-vivid picture and powerful, moving audio seem to flow all around you. Dolby Vision is a trademark of Dolby Laboratories. Dolby Atmos and the double D symbol are registered trademarks of Dolby Laboratories. NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. WiFi speaker compatibility works seamlessly to deliver high fidelity in wireless audio. It dramatically elevates the cinematic sound of everything you watch. Only supports 5.1 channel and 2.0 channel. Transmitter dongle required and sold separately. Click the link below for more reviews and limited discount offer. Note: recommended to clear off cookies and browser history for discount activation.